having missed out, probably hasn't fully like sunk in that whole experience and what could have been in terms of obviously having played for my nation at a World Cup. That'll probably come later on, maybe once I've retired. But no, obviously having missing out and obviously watching from home was hard to take. Obviously at the time you always have a focus in your head to get back fit and get back playing, and obviously with the Welsh shirt on again, it's obviously taken a lot longer for myself to get back to this position of being called up regularly to the Welsh squad. So yeah, obviously it does put a little bit more on the line in terms of want to get back to a World Cup, want to get myself a spot in the squad if that obviously comes about. So yeah, that would, in an ideal world, that would be perfect. Obviously it means a lot to myself. We've just obviously got to concentrate on Thursday's game first and getting the job done in terms of winning that game and then focusing on the next. But yeah, everything's on Thursday now.